Hey guys, Noah here. This is a 52-inch Evergo top mount spinner ceiling fan. Not sure on the model number or anything. I just received this fan from Donovan McCormick in the mail. This fan is really childhood to me. And I think in my Moss WS video I said why these top mounts are childhood. But I think this one is like the exact version of my childhood one. So, my mom works as a vet tech, and at the vet clinic there used to be one of these in the dog kennel area, painted black, and it would run on low, pretty much 24/7. And at some point it was removed and trashed. At the other end of that area, there was a 42-inch Aloha Breeze deal. Piece of crap. Anyway, show you low speed. A little bit loud, but I definitely don't mind. This fan is in great condition. The finish is immaculate. Price wasn't too bad either. It was like $25 plus shipping, and shipping was like $35, which is surprisingly cheap for a ceiling fan. But yeah, one of these was installed in my mom's workplace. So yeah, I was pretty sad when it got removed. And right now, I think there's a fanimation in its place. There was also a fan up front over the desk. It was a craft made decorative, and I have yet to film it. It was a white craft made decorative. I have yet to film it, but it's now in my collection. Because that was the one fan I got from there, and that was around since this was installed, so I'm happy about that. Now there's a fanimation there as well. And one of the main factors, besides the look of it, that inclines me to say it was this exact model is because of how fast it spins on low. I remember it used to run on low 24/7 and run about this quick. It's medium. This has a big green Evergo motor at the top. Right now it's mounted on a ball and socket because that's what I had on hand. And the canopy doesn't perfectly mount over it, so it's whatever. High speed. If I were to permanently install it, I would of course put it on the proper mounting. This fan, it hauls. It's a really good fan. It's now dark out, so I can kind of film in that spot without glare. Big old green Evergo motor, you can kind of see it. This tag says turn off power for fan before pressing, for reverse switch, and this is telling me to basically turn on high when it starts up so don't stall out. Alright, now we'll do solid state. Let's spin down here. Kind of gently do this. This fan's a little bit louder on solid state. might stall out if I kind of bump it. Yeah. I think it starts on its own around a quarter in. Yeah. Right. The hum on this reminds me that of Emerson, Alaska's. Kind of like the one on YouTube that was on dimmer switch, like loud ceiling fan number 2, I think the video was called. It was a white Alaska, big old turtle fitter like it. Stencil. I think the hum sounds a lot like that. Because believe it or not, 60 cycle hum kind of sounds different. But over fans, you know, there's high. If you're wondering, when you switch this fan to low, it does not really give a crap when you turn on the switch. It sooner stalls out before it overvoltages, so that's good. Yeah, okay. And if you're wondering what overvoltage is, let me show you. It's when this happens. Turn it to medium and low. Makes that sound. Well, usually it would speed up if it's being overvolted. Maybe this is just, I don't know. Anyway. Thanks for watching, and I hope you've enjoyed. Well, actually, I have one more thing to say. People might go like, okay, you're not supposed to have solid state switches on 16 pole fans. It doesn't matter. It's fine. It really is. The one thing to look out for when putting solid state switches on fans is lack of ventilation. Like fans like Emperors and like ventless housing fans don't really have great heat dissipation to begin with. And putting on a solid state switch just makes it worse. Especially a dimmer. But when the ventilation is perfectly fine like so, all good, no matter. Now I wouldn't run it 24/7 like that, but you know, it's fine. You see a lot of fans running for 20 years, as long as you keep the chain on high. You know, 20 years on solid state. I mean, anyway, I'm ranting. Anyway, thanks for watching.